Now let's go back to the image click and zoom page. Under the Zoom Analytics menu, we can see all the track data related to the images. At the very top, you'll find a summary of the key statistics. Right below that, the tracked image data is displayed in a clear table format. Further down, you'll see detailed information for each individual image being tracked. Finally, at the bottom, you can explore data related to each user's interactions. This table here shows the tracking data for all images. Currently, we have 76 images being tracked. The data is organized into 3 main categories: total time zoomed, total time spent zooming, and average time per image. You can easily adjust the view to see results by hour, day, or month. This section below provides a more detailed breakdown for each image. It includes metrics like how many times it was zoomed, the total time spent on it, and the average viewing time. You can sort the data by clicking on any of these categories. And for each set of data, you can also access related user information. Just click on the user icon and it will take you directly to that user's detailed browsing history. In this image data section, you can perform various actions on selected images. For instance, you can update chart, stop, or resume tracking, or even export the data to a CSV file. If you want to view data for just a few specific images, simply select those images. Then choose Update Charts and click Apply. You'll see the chart above automatically update to reflect your selection. Now, it is showing data only for the images you chose. Click Show All to return to the complete data set. If you'd like to pause tracking for a particular image, select that image, choose Stop Tracking, and click Apply. Now this image is in a paused tracking state. To resume, select the same image again, choose Resume Tracking, and click Apply. Its status will then change back to active tracking. You can also use the search bar on the right to quickly find and review data for a specific image. At the bottom, each user's section contains all the detailed data from their browsing session. Click the Expand button to reveal the full set of information. This kind of data can be very helpful for understanding user preferences, habits, and behavior patterns. In short, the Zoom Analytics menu offers comprehensive and detailed data, more than enough to support your analysis needs.